Hello everybody, it's Kirk here with Space Pickle Designs, and I have a very special video for you today. This is Softflex Design Challenge Kit Day, and this one is in Grateful Heart. And so Softflex is a company based in Sonoma, California, and they are a small family-run business. And their beading design challenge kits, like you see here, retail for $34.95 and include everything that you need to make a few jewelry projects, minus the tools, of course. So each kit is lovingly curated based on a theme by their staff every month. And on the last Wednesday of the month at 3 p.m. Pacific time, they do a live on the Softflex Company Facebook page and YouTube channel where they unwrap the kit. And so I'm going to be posting this video after that. So let's just get into this. I'm super excited to see what's inside. I did just want to mention real quick that I saw a little note at the bottom here. This one's called Grateful Heart, but if this one's sold out, just know that the next kit is called Gone Batty, and it's available for purchase online as of August 28th, which is the day that this video should be coming up. So if that doesn't tell you that we're getting into spooky season, here's your sign. All right, so you got a little glimpse of what the color theme is. It looks like blues and pinks and turquoise with some silver accents. So the first thing is our Softflex beading wire, and this is in a medium, and this is in the pink tourmaline color, which is awesome. I'm not sure if I have any left, so this is a really good little restock for me. Love that. You get a full spool. The next is your Softflex crimp tubes, and these are in the silver tone. I'm going to keep them in the bag just so I can keep track of them. We have our silver plated ear wires with a ball, and we get 2 pair there, along with our silver tone lobster claw clasp. All right, and then we have some pink fire polish beads, and these are in a 7mm, and these are just so dainty and cute. It's a nice long strand too, right? Then we have a Green Girls Studios Love is the Key connector. Oh, look how precious that is. I can't wait to actually go on to Green Girls Studios website and order a few things. Look at that. That is so cute. I love the little messages that they have on there. But this could be just like a little message to yourself if you have this on closer to your body, and then this is what faces outward, so only really you know what's there. I thought that was really cute. Then we have, let's see here, we have some 9x6. Let me get these out. These are really cool. These are in like a little bead mix here. And these are a 9x6 check glass, pink and turquoise rondelle. And wow, they really found such a unique and fitting finish for a fire polish bead to be in this box. I wouldn't be surprised if they saw this and was like, we need to make a box around it, because that's what it looks like, honestly. But these are really, really cool. You get a bunch of those. You get a bunch of these 4mm opaque turquoise with metallic blue fire polish. And look how cute these are. The finish is not super shiny either. They're like a little bit like matte, not matte, but more of a satin, right? So those pop really nicely, and you get a bunch there. Then we have some 10mm check glass clear and pink beads, or clear. Let me see. So these are just the check glass hearts, and these look to be like a satin matte finish as well. Those are really pretty. These are the check glass clear and pink beads, and so here we go. Those are really cool. These remind me of like vintage beads, and I really do like that vibe. Even if they aren't vintage, I just really do like these. I like the clear glass mixed in with opaque glass. Those are really cool. We have some check glass blue pinch beads here, and again, they almost like perfectly match the fire polish, so those are really cool. I do love a good pinch bead. And then we have our Jesse James bead mix here. I did just want to say that I didn't look at these closely enough, and these are actually 2 different beads mixed in one. Of course, we have that opaque turquoise with the metallic blue, but then we have this matte onyx bead here, and those are so stinking cute, and they like, it's just a testament to how perfectly they go together, because I really didn't even recognize that these were 2 beads in one. But those are so stinking cute. All right, so let's get to sorting this cute little mix. All right, so let's look at our little bead mix here. We'll start off with these barrels. These are crystal AB barrel bead is what it looks like to me. You get quite a few. These are one of my favorites out of this mix. They're like a cute little turquoise, but with swirled different colors, and it's a little heart faceted bead here. I love a good matte crackle bead, of course, and this looks to be a 10 millimeter. We've got some super shiny teardrop beads here with a very shiny finish. We've got some 2 beads here that mimic a magnesite. I don't know if it is or not, but that's what it looks like. Same here, it looks like a dyed faux magnesite. I'm not sure what these are, but they look like it's like mimicking a turquoise, right? But these also have like little facets on them, which make them a little bit unique. We've got 2 super silver square beads here. We've got some, let's see, what are these? These are hexagons here, and they're in a turquoise with a super shiny finish. We've got a lot of metal components in this one. We've got little teeny hearts. We've got some bead caps for a bigger size bead. These would work wonderfully with these 10 millimeters. We also got little dainty filigree bead caps in silver. We've got little teeny flower beads. We've got a bunch of rhinestone crystal AB rondelles here, if you can see that. ABs are super shiny on there, and I think I got a little bit of a bonus bead. If not, I'm missing the little match, but we got one little bright pink rondelle in this one. All in all, it makes for a pretty dainty and feminine little mix here. All right, so here's what we got in the design challenge kit from Softflex for the theme of Grateful Heart. And I love this theme. It's always important to approach life with from a standpoint of gratefulness and appreciation. And so I love this theme. I cannot wait to get started with this box. Let me know what you'd like to see me make with this box. I really think I want to make a really huge over the top memory wire bracelet with probably like 5 different layers. But let me know down in the comments what you'd like to see, and I hope you're staying safe and well. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.